For the last 2 years, we kept telling ourselves a comforting lie. We said, AI can write poems and code, but it can't fix a car. It can't build a house. It can't fold laundry. We thought the physical world was the last safe haven for human labor. Well, I have bad news. That safe haven just got breached. While we were arguing about ChatGPT, Elon Musk and Tesla were quietly solving the hardest problem in robotics. They didn't just build a machine that can walk, they built a machine that can learn. The Tesla Optimus is no longer a guy in a spandex suit dancing on stage. It is now working in factories. It is handling dangerous tasks, and it is doing it without complaining, without sleeping, and without a paycheck. Welcome to the end of manual labor. To understand how fast this is moving, we have to look back. In 2021, when Elon announced the Tesla bot, it was literally a human in a costume. The world laughed. Critics called it a distraction. But Tesla operates on Elon time. It looks impossible until suddenly it's real. Fast forward to today, the new generation of Optimus isn't clunky. It's fluid. It has tactile sensors in its fingers that can feel pressure. It can handle a delicate egg without breaking it and lift a heavy battery pack without sweating. But the hardware isn't the scary part. The scary part is the brain. Tesla is using the same end-to-end neural networks they use for their self-driving cars. This means they don't program the robot to walk. They show it videos of humans walking, and the AI learns to copy it. It learns like a child, but it perfects like a machine. Now, let's talk about the only thing that matters to corporations: money. Why would a factory hire a human? Humans get tired. Humans get injured. Humans form unions. Humans need lunch breaks, sick leave, and holidays. Now look at Optimus. Elon Musk estimates the robot will cost around $20,000 to $25,000 to buy. That is less than a Toyota Corolla. If that robot works 24 hours a day for 5 years, the operating cost drops to something like $3 per hour. There is no competition. You cannot compete with $3 an hour. Amazon, BMW, and Mercedes aren't testing these robots because they like sci-fi. They are doing it because it will save them billions in labor costs. The moment Optimus becomes cheaper than a minimum wage worker, the blue-collar job market collapses. If you think this is just an Elon Musk project, think again. This is an arms race. A company called Figure AI, backed by OpenAI and Jeff Bezos, just released a robot that can make coffee, converse with you, and hand you an apple. It's eerily human. BMW has already signed a deal to put these robots in their manufacturing plants in South Carolina. China is building humanoid robots at a scale we can't even comprehend. They plan to mass produce them by 2027. We are about to see a flood of cheap, capable physical androids entering the workforce. They will start in the warehouses, then the factories, then the construction sites, and eventually your home. So, where does that leave us? If AI agents take the office jobs and humanoid robots take the physical jobs, what do humans do? Elon Musk talks about a future of abundance, a world where robots do all the work and the cost of goods drops to near zero. He talks about universal basic income, where the government pays you just to exist. It sounds like a utopia, but history tells us that transitions are never smooth. Before we get to the utopia, we might have to survive a massive economic displacement. The truck driver, the warehouse packer, the assembly line worker, their clock is ticking. We are witnessing the final piece of the automation puzzle. The brain, AI, is ready. The body, robot, is almost ready. The question is no longer if robots will replace manual labor. The question is when. And if Elon's timeline is right, it's happening sooner than you think. What do you think? Would you buy a Tesla bot to do your laundry and dishes? Let me know in the comments. And to see how AI is taking over the office jobs before the robots arrive, watch our previous video on AI agents right here. Thanks for watching. This is AI Insider.